So there's been a lot of talk about these HVAC 25C tax credits, and so it's basically a tax credit. It's 30% of the total project, up to $2,000, and a lot of people think that they're just for ducted heat pumps. Well, a lot of the ductless heat pumps, like the heads behind me, those are qualifying for the ductless heat pump 25C tax credit as well, and so it's a really good option if you're looking to go from baseboard heat or any other source of heat to a lot more comfortable home. Plus, you're getting that tax credit on there as well. Yeah, and so if you're interested in reaching out to us, we're super easy to get a hold of. You can call into our office. You can actually text into our office number, fill out a form online. Check out our YouTube channel. We have a lot of information about the IRA and different incentives. And we're still learning about them as the government is releasing more information about these tax credits. We have a list through Mitsubishi of their qualifying units. And so, we're more than happy to talk to you about what qualifies and how you can take advantage of that. So if you're interested, give us a call. Love to talk to you. Just reach out and we'll get in contact with you and let you know as much as we can about these tax incentives.